beauty.
The whole Takara Mountain.
Look at that inferno.
It's fucking blazing right now.
Dude!
Holy shit. Please, someone.
This is Jasper National Park right now. Please, someone what?
Please, someone.
Please, God.
If I die in those fires.
Look at those fucking... Look at that.
This is insane. The whole Jasper National Park is burning.
It's all these trees are on fire on
Yeah.
this one. Right here.
Like right there.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit.
You can feel the warm air coming from
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Like,
Holy shit.
look at this, guys. This is
Oh my God.
bye-bye nature, I guess.